Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to generate a professional report using Perplexity AI. It's a quick and easy process that can help you create well-structured reports in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open Perplexity AI and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, click on the search box and enter your report topic. Now, instead of writing just the topic, use a detailed prompt. For example, create a professional report on artificial intelligence. Include an executive summary, introduction, key findings, advantages, challenges, conclusion, and references. Press Enter, and Perplexity will search reliable sources and generate a well-structured report in just a few seconds. If you want to improve the report, you can ask follow-up questions like, add more statistics, expand this section, or make it more professional. Once you're happy with the result, simply copy the report or export it to use in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or as a PDF. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to generate a professional report using Perplexity AI. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others.